If you have more questions, you come talk to me when I'm done with this. I will definitely answer it. This one specifically word problems that deal with fractions. And in case you did not catch on to this today or whenever we talked about it before, because we probably have, word problems with fractions, you must, let's put this in big bold letters, you must sketch out fraction boxes. You must sketch fraction boxes. And again, most of you do this and do a very nice job, but your homework paper is separated into squares. It's very easy to do. You know, 8th graders use rulers to do this. I don't require that, but some people just want it to look that nice. I respect that. You can just draw the straight lines on your boxes. Let me give you an example problem. Sam scored 2/3. Sam scored 2/3 of his team's 36 points. How many points did Sam score? Okay. So on your paper, what you're going to do is you're going to just draw a nice little rectangle. I can get a nice little rectangle on. Not like you and those. And that rectangle always stands for the total amount of stuff you're talking about. How many total points were scored? Yes, 36. So this whole thing stands for 36 points, or puntas. No puntas for you. And we want to know what 2/3 of that is. 2/3 is the fraction I'm working with. And the bottom number tells me how many equal pieces that I'm going to cut that into. How many equal pieces? And these can be as equal as you can make it here. 3 equal pieces. Now here's where you might struggle a little bit. If you take 36 and divide it into 3 equal pieces, in each piece, Kayleen, you will have
12.
Yep. Each piece stands for 12 puntas. Or points or whatever it is. Now we're not done yet because we haven't really figured out what we want. We know that Sam scored 2 of the 3 boxes, so 2 of those boxes there, 12 plus 12 means that Sam scored 24 points. Now, it doesn't ask us, nor does it say, but what about this box up here? What could you infer about that box there? What does that box stand for? Or what is that box, Caleb?
The other people scored.
Yeah, how many points Sam didn't score, how many points the rest of his team scored, whatever it is. And they might ask you that at some time. What fraction of the points did the other team score? Or the other people on his team? What fraction is this right here? Maggie? 1/3. So if Sam scored 2/3, the rest of the team scored 1/3. If he scored 24 points, the other one scored 12 points. And everybody was pretty much happy. Now, did they win the game?
Doesn't say.
That's a good point. Good punta. One more. How about this? Oh, here's a good one. Jim's dog ate 1/4. Jim's dog ate 1/4 of the dozen bones. How many bones were left? Okay, and here's where you have to be a little bit careful because it's very easy to read this problem and think that they asked the question that they didn't ask, because 1/4 is how many he ate, the question asks you not how many he ate, but how many were left. And again, I know you know the answer, but you still need to draw the box. Ask not what your math book can do for you, but what you can do for your math book. How many bones were there?
12.
Right, a dozen. Hopefully you know that that's 12.
Yeah.
I know the dog ate 1/4 of them, so the bottom number tells me how many equal pieces I cut 12 into. If you take 12 and cut it into 4 equal pieces, each piece then is worth, okay, 3. And fill in those boxes there. Oh, sorry. Which part are you on? And then, if each box is worth 3, we know that the dog ate 1 of those. So the dog ate 3,
Okay, now you can ask.
but that's not what the question asked. The question asked how many were left. If the dog ate 3, how many were left after the dog ate 3? The survey says over there, Landon, Purdue.
9.
Correct. 9 were left. But this is what I need to see on your paper, and it isn't going to take. Did I do something wrong? Well, it asked how many. It didn't ask what fraction. If it asked what fraction were left, then by all means, yes, 3/4 would be the answer. But if they asked how many, you'd have to give the number. So, everybody's relatively happy with that? Happy is a relative term.